Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't be missed. As you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit from very easy. So today's project name is nihilamcapital.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register an account in this website. For registering an account, two type of procedure here is given: email registration method and the phone registration method. So first of all, I will tell you how you can register your account through email. So first of all, you have to put your email ID, then you have to set a login password. You can set a login password which is easy to remember. Then you have to confirm this login password that you have confirmed. Then you have to put a security password which will be needed for the transaction and the withdrawal. You can set a login password which is remember. Then you have to confirm this security password that you have set here. Then you have to put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box and click on the register now and your account will be registered. For the phone registration, first of all select your country code, then put your phone number and click on the register now and your account will be registered. In this website you can select the language option. Different types of language option here is given and I have selected English as my preferred language. And you can also contact them on their online customer service. They will be available on Telegram customer service, online customer service, and the corporate channel will be given to you 24/7 for helping out. So viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the login option, for which I am using the email login option, for which I have to put my email and the password that I have set in the registration procedure earlier here. And just click on the login now and my account will be logged in this website. And here you can say I successfully login an account in this website. Latest announcement here is given: all agents enjoy level 3 agents rebates. Level 1 is 5% of the rebates. Deposit is 1000 USD, get 50% USD. For the level 2 is 2% rebate. For the level 3 is 1% rebate. Invite your friends and you will get different types of rewards will be given to you. Contact customer service for the receive rewards if you meet any of the events requirement. And you will given to interesting option like the recharge, withdrawal option, help option here is given. In the help option, all the type of their detail here is given, like the company profile here is given. Founded Nilam Capital is founded 2022 21. The headquarters is London, UK. It is currently a professional company in Europe with super technical strength and the team integration. The Nelam Capital platform will officially enter the market of various countries in 2023. We are committed to intelligent qualification platform. The Nelam Capital platform has cooperated with many international cryptocurrencies exchanges, have established long-term and stable strategic cooperative relations. And all the type of detail here is given. Company qualifications here is given. For the qualification any of their level here is given. You can check all the type of quantitative detail here is given and all the type of this detail. The reason why you receive 7 USD in this website: Nilam Capital money making function, AI smart profit price differences on the cryptocurrencies. In the team option, all the type of your team detail will be given to you. Total revenue, today's total new registered team member, team contribution, new registered for the today will be given to you. You can also download their app by just clicking on the download app. Android download and the iOS download here is given. You can download for any of their level and as download here is given. In the activity details you will get your all the type of activity will be given to you. Interview newcomers to receive in red envelope, invite friend round, limited time invitation, generous award, universal agent enjoy non-stop commission rebate will be given to you. And invite friend option here is given. In the invite friend you can invite your friend for, and the a lot of commission, high number of commissions will be given to you by inviting your friend. Copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with your family and friends, or you can also scan this QR code and this invitation to your friends. When your friends complete the registration you will get the rebate income and you will be generated on your account will be given to you. And you will get different types of commission rebates will be given to you. Invite friends level 1 for the is 5%, for the level 2 is 2%, for the level 3 1% of the commission will be given to you. Invite friend can get responding rebate when they recharge through your invitation code and invitation link by the registration method. You can recharge this website account by just clicking on the recharge option. Copy this available address here or scan this QR code. You can invest recharge in the quantitative account and the smart account. Copy this available address or scan this QR code. After copying this address, go back to the wallet which are using, click on the USDT or and click on the send option, just bind the address here, put the amount for the transaction here, click on the next option, complete the transaction. After completing the transaction, complete the transaction procedure. After completing the transaction, go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete, and your account will be recharged in this website in 1 to 3 minutes. After the recharging here in the quantitative trading, efficient and the stable income, invite friend. BTC, TRX and the Ethereum is dealing in this website. There are Binance, OKCUB, Coinbase percentages here is given for each currency's latest price, and 24-hour rise and down will be shown to you. They are dealing in different types of cryptocurrencies. In Elam Capital, found in 2021, the headquarters in the London, UK. Their safe operation is running for the 1061 day, and cumulative profit here is showing in the quantify. You will get your all the type of quantification level for which you can quantification, and you get your incomes on the daily basis. AI version 1 current level quantification time is 1, profit ratio is 1.5%, minimum amount to unlock required is 10 USD. Quantifiable number of the day is for the 180 days. Profit unlock detail artificial intelligence is version 1. Hobby, Binance, OKS, Coinbase are there. And their popular unlocked levels for the AI version 2. Profit ratio is 2.32%. Unlock amount required is 500 USD. Click on the unlock now. Complete the recharge of 490 USD and confirm, and you're good to go. Unlock any of their level of up to the level AI version 3. Here is a given for each level of in their cooperative financial institution are Binance, Coinbase, Exchange, Kraken, Koken, OKS, Bybit, Bitstamp, and Bitnex, Gateway, and Budget. In the invest option, you will get your smart investment, and the investment record will be given to you. For completing your quantification, you have to click on the click below to start the quantification. Here you can see quantification here is started. Here you can see quantification reset time will be for the 24-hour. Here you can see quantification is running in the background, and here you can see now I have generated my income. Here 0.1903 is deposited in my wallet. Here in the services, you will get your all the type of services will be given to you. You are given to you online customer service, online service, a corporate channel will be given to you. In the me option, you will get your total asset details, your quantification account, smart account, profit, asset generated, recharge amount will be given to you, recharge, withdrawal option, total revenue generated, today's commission, today's earning, yesterday earning level, subordinate level. Here is given security center. Here is given for your privacy password. You can change your password. Here put the old password, then set a new password, confirm the password, and confirm your password will be modified. Here similarly you can modify your security password here, and after that you can check you can also transfer your profit asset to the quantity account, put the amount, then set the password and confirm your amount will be transferred into your profit assets, into the profit conversation tutorial. Here is given news. Here is given language, common problem, about us, download app option. Here is given sound out option. Here is given for withdrawing your money, just click on the withdrawal option, put the Tron address, go back to the wallet which are you using in your mobile, click on the receive option, copy this available address. After that you have to just bind the address here in the Tron address. Here you can see I have binded the address, then put the amount which is available for the withdrawal here, then put the security password that you have set in the registration procedure here, and click on the confirm option. And here you can see I have successfully applied for the withdrawal. Here when I get my commission, I will show my balance details after the successful withdrawal. And here you can see I have received 1.193 USD from this website account just immediately withdrawing my money. I hope this video gives you a lot of information. It's time to go. Goodbye.